Let's learn how you can hard reset your iPhone. Whether you're experiencing a frozen screen, unresponsive apps, or simply want to clear out any issues, a hard reset can often do the trick. And before we start with this video, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe to Tutor for more videos like this in the future. We can hard reset our iPhone by pressing a combination of buttons. Follow my steps very carefully. First we will click the volume up button, and then click the volume down button. Now you want to click and long hold the power button on your phone and don't let it go. So we'll have to do that quickly. Press the volume up, then press the volume down and then press and long hold the power button. You need to hold the power button for a couple of seconds and your iPhone screen will turn off, but don't let go. The screen will become black and after a second or two you will see the Apple logo over your screen. When you see the Apple logo you can then release the power button and you'll just have to wait for your iPhone to turn on. And that's essentially how you can hard reset any iPhone on any iOS version. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one and I'll see you in the next video.